Hey guys, welcome to MathCube. Today we are attempting the fourth question of the International Advanced Level Pure Mathematics P3 of Jan 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. So figure 2 shows a sketch of a graph with equation y equal to f of x, where f of x is in the abstract 3x plus a, abstract closed, plus a, where a is a positive constant. The graph has a vertex at the point P as shown in figure 2. Find in terms of a the coordinates of P. So there you go, that's P here, and we have to find the coordinates here, and the only thing that we have given is f of x here. So with the help of this function we can find the coordinates of P. That's easy. You can see that's of 2 marks, so 1 mark for the x-axis and 1 for the y-axis. So to find x value or x-axis, one easy trick to differentiate between y and x is the value between abstract will always give you the x value, and the value outside the abstract will give you the y value. So that's the easy trick that will save your time, and that's only of 2 marks, so you have to do it real quick. And they even said that we have to find the coordinates in terms of a. So what I'll do is I'll just take this function and I'll just take it here, and I'll just set it to 0 just to find a. So that will be, so yeah, one more thing to remember here: if you want to find any x value or any y value, you have to set the other y value or other x value to 0. Then only, if like now I'm finding the x value here in terms of a, so I'll set y to 0. That's the thing, I set it 0. Now I can just subtract 3x from both sides, so our a value will be, there you go. Now I've got a equal to minus 3x. Now I'll just divide minus 3 from both sides, or you can say just 3. Yeah, I'll just take minus 3 because I have to make a positive x here, so that will give me, there you go, that's our x value in terms of a, minus a upon 3. That's the x coordinate of P. That's there, this way. And now we have to find the y value here in terms of a, and I already told you that, okay, 1 mark for x value has been done, and 1 easy mark for the y value will be, and everything outside the x function that's here, that's a. So our y coordinate is a. If I put 0 everywhere, if I put 0 in here, so that will be 0 plus a, and that's plus a, that's abstract, so that will give me an a. So our y coordinate is a. There you go, that's our a part done. And now moving on to the b part. Sketch the graph with equation y equal to g of x, where g of x equal to x plus 5a in the abstract. On your sketch, show the coordinates in terms of a of each point where the graph cuts or meets the coordinate axis. Now I'll just refer to the graph. So guys, I've drawn the graph here, sketched it, and now the g of x is in the abstract x plus 5a. And earlier I told you that if we have to find the x value, what I'll do is I'll just set y to 0. So that will become, when I set y to 0, I get x plus 5a. And to get x value in terms of a, what I'll do is I'll just subtract 5a from both sides, and our x value will be, there you go, it's minus 5a, and that'll be somewhere here. Okay, that's a sketch, that's rough, so it doesn't count as it being too perfect. So now to find the y value, we'll do the opposite now. So to find y value, what I'll do is I'll just set x equal to 0, and when I plug x equal to 0 here, that's in the abstract, I get a positive 5a, and that's my y value here. Y is 5a, and that'll be somewhere here. And what I'll do is I'll just draw a line here, so that will come from here to here. Oops, I'll just draw it again here, wait, there you go, the line will go something like this. And as you all know, our function g of x is in the abstract, and any negative value in the abstract becomes positive, so our function will flip over upside like that. We always draw the modulus graph in this way. So let me just label it, label the points, label the coordinates, and remove the down part of the graph. There you go, that's our final product, and 2 marks easily scored. So now moving on to the C part, the graph with equation y equal to g of x intersects the graph with equation y equal to f of x at 2 points. Find in terms of a the coordinates of 2 points. So guys, one more trick here. When they say intersects the graph, it means you basically have to set g of x equal to f of x. That's it. There you go, I've set them equal to together. X plus 5a equal to 3x plus a. And now what we'll do is the easiest step, take the common terms to one side. There you go, 5a minus 2a equal to 3x minus x. So doing just basic maths here, subtracting, we will get, there you go, 3a equal to 2x. And in order to get x value in terms of a, I'll divide 2 from both sides. There you go, we got of x value 3a upon 2. Now that's one coordinate x value. They said that find in terms of a the coordinates of the 2 points. So I have to find one more x value and 2 y values here. So in order to find the other x value, what I'll do is I'll just set one abstract value and change its sign. So our f of x was originally 3x plus a, but to find the other x value, I just flipped its sign and put it as negative, so it's minus 3x minus a plus a. So now what I'll do is simplify it, just take the common terms to one side and do basic maths. There you go, 5a equal to minus 4x. The minus a plus a got cancelled, and now that we have it, what I'll do is I'll just, to find x value, I'll just divide minus from for both sides. There you go, our second x value is minus 5a upon 4 in terms of a, and now we have to find 2 y coordinates corresponding to their x values. So first what I'll do is I'll just plug x value, that's 3a upon 2, into my g of x to find my y value. There you go, that's our 2 y values here. So to get these corresponding y values, you basically plug in the x value in the g of x. So as I stated, 3a upon 2 plus 5a will give us 6.5a, and that's the same as 13 upon 2a, that's 6.5a. And basically again plugging in this value here, 5a upon 4 again into g of x will give us the same result as 15a upon 4. So there you go guys, our C part done. 5 easy marks here, and there you go, that's how we do it. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more videos from this series.